Hi there, I'm Tomas from Real Guitar Success. I wanted to redeem myself, so I'm going to play this song for you. I played it on a Real Guitar live show a few days ago, and I butchered it. So hopefully this will be my redemption. I'm going to play two versions. First, a very slow version so you can see the fingering exactly. And then I'll play a little more up the tempo so you get an idea what it's really supposed to sound like. Now, if you'd like to see me create sheet music for this, please let me know in the comments. If I get enough comments, I'll go ahead and take the time and do it. Here we go. Travis finger picking style.